Welcome to Sleep Play. Today we're going to review Medistrom Battery Pilot-24. The Pilot-24 is to be used with ResMed machines, mainly the AirSense 10 and the Air Mini. Okay, we have both here today to demonstrate. Yes, so what's in the box? In the box comes the battery. You're also going to get a little pouch, okay, for when you travel. And you're going to get cables. Okay, you're going to get adapters for the Air Mini and for the AirSense 10. All adapters have labels on them, so if you read them, you won't get confused, okay? They'll have the labels for which machine you're going to use them for. All right, so let's get to it. First of all, if you have a Dream Station, then you would use the Pilot 12, which is another Medistrom battery that we will review another day. Okay, today it's mainly this one. So I'm going to demonstrate for you. Okay, so for the Air Mini, we would use, if we're going to just use the battery, because we're going to use the equipment not to charge, then you would look at the cables and you would look for the output cable for the Air Mini. And then you would go to the battery and you would connect it. And there you have it. Okay, and that's how you would use it normally. Okay. Now, with the AirSense 10, you would look for the AirSense cable. And then you would go to the back of the machine. And then you would connect it and there you have it. And that's mainly how it works, okay, once your battery is charged. All right, so the battery to fully charge takes like about 2 to 3 hours, and it can last up to, I would say, that's a little tricky because it depends on the pressure. Okay, this battery could be used with a BiPAP or a CPAP, unlike other batteries, but it also depends how high your pressure is. So for example, it could be like a minimum of 8 hours, I would say. Okay, depending on your pressure, it could be more, it could be less. With the Air Mini, they do say, because since it doesn't have a humidifier, that it can last up to 2 days. Okay. Also, to charge the Medistrom battery, you would use the power supply from each machine, and it has an adapter that you would connect. Okay, so in this case, with the Air Mini, you would connect this to the power adapter of the Air Mini, okay, and to the Medistrom battery, okay? And that's how you would charge it for 2 to 3 hours. And you would do the same thing with the AirSense 10, okay? You have up to 500 charges with this battery, and you can also charge other things, cell phone or other devices in the USB. I mean, this is great. So if you travel a lot, if you go camping, if you go hiking, or if you just travel for business or whatever, this is great because a lot of patients tell me that when they travel, sometimes they don't have outlets next to the bed, especially in cruises or, you know, sometimes in Europe. So this is wonderful because all you have to do is connect it to the battery and you can use your equipment close to you, okay? Also, if the main use for this battery is obviously if the lights go off. You know, if there's a storm or, you know, there's a power outage, you don't have to worry about not having electricity because this battery will last at least one night. So the battery also has a flashlight. So you see right here this button. If you keep it pressed, it lights up. So let's say that, you know, you're camping, you're hiking, and you need lights to find your keys or anything. I mean, it's not a lot, but you know, it's a little something. Also, it's going to show you, let me turn it off, wait. You got to keep it pressed to turn it on and keep it pressed to turn it off. And you see those little dots? The little dots are going to let you know how much battery you have left. Now keep in mind, do not leave any cables connected to the battery. Don't leave the AirMini cable, don't leave the AirSense cable. Any cables that you leave connected will drain the battery. Even if it's not connected to your machine, even if your equipment is off, even if you're not using it, just the mere fact that it's connected to the battery will drain it. Okay, so make sure to take everything off when you're done, unless you're charging your battery. Thank you for coming to Sleep Playing. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you. Bye-bye.